How to solve unknown app block error for APK files installing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So you will see security and privacy is here, so click on security and privacy. Now here, so scroll down and you will see auto block is here. So if you want to fix this problem, so turn off this button. So after turn on, you will see use pin and fingerprint. So after click on pin, enter your pin and click on continue. So you will see this button is off. You will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can solve unknown app block error for APK files installing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.